All right, David here with Futures Trading. We managed to get back up there to that 824, which is Monday's low. Now, this is based on content that I've already covered with you guys. Doesn't matter the color of the bar, just consecutive closes beneath that low. And that's why I said if they weren't able to do that, it could lead to something a little bit more significant to the downside. But they managed to get right back up there and close right above that 824. All right, and that's Monday's low. They got down here to this 630, 150 and gave the rejection. Now, I'm going to put out in the Trader's Guide video on YouTube channel. I'm gonna actually put that out why I picked that level. So you'll be wanting to keep an eye out for that because I plan on putting that out roughly maybe this weekend or definitely early next week. I'm gonna kind of tell you what made me pick that price level. And it's simple stuff. It's right on the chart, right in front of you. Simple stuff. Whether or not they're going to keep going, I'm gonna tell you they should because it's just based on counting. All right, now this is something you can know right now. This is the first bar. Usually, I'll give you three, and then pause or at least go four. So let's take a look at this move right here. All right, this is a bar after this drop back. These two are pretty much inside this bar's high. That's not three bars in that direction. Here's the other two. This bar right here, they paused. These two are stuck inside this bar is high. So you have to give me the other two. And that's a part of, this. Now, if you want to say, well, let's just, count these two for this, then you have to give me two for here. And so if we don't count these, well, here's another two for this, however you want to go about it. But usually when they pause, they can go at least two more bars when they're ready to go, at least two. And you can kind of see it all over the chart. Here's three, here's three. So will they go again? All right. Will they go again tomorrow? Now, if they plan on going again, and I hope they do, just go straight. I know it's a new high, but if they can just go straight, it'll be just ideal. Want to see consecutive closes, above these are technical levels I'm putting in here. But to be more specific about it, let's go with this high. So the high of this is 884. This is the stuff that I'm telling you. Here's a bar. We want to see consecutive closes above the high. That moves your line in the sand kind of up closer to it. So hopefully tomorrow we just go straight forward. Usually when they break highs, they always do like one up, one back down. They usually do that kind of stuff. If they get the consecutive closes, that'll just be perfect. So that's something to take with you. If you want to know how much further will it go, count. Just one, two, three. Just count. Really simple stuff. Here we go. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully that helps. I got other stuff that I'm going to release to you and let you know what to do when it comes to counting whether or not it'll go. But that's one right out the box. You can definitely try that and see it in the chart. So here's the range. Now let's look at the range in context to this activity since this morning. We managed to form the range clearly. Now, when they dropped back before the range was totally complete there, when they dropped back, you can go with the stuff that I kind of put out, already. Two leg removal. Here's a leg, and this one right here. They didn't get past that one. All right. They drove right into it, but they didn't get past. They formed the bottom of that range and, begin to take off. When they dropped back to the top of the range, here's a leg. They didn't take this one out. All the stuff that I've been telling you, they didn't take that one out. They gave you another push off the top of the range. Now at the open, they fell down nasty business. I mean, it was nasty business. They went to the means, hit the middle, played off. Now they're setting a bottom. Now this is the thing you got to pay attention to. Here's a leg here. You can take out this leg, just don't remove this one. And they turned it around. And of course, once they took out both of these legs on this side, you should already know what was happening. They went up here. Okay, now this is a run. They based at the top of the range, gave you that run. If you come down, bullying me out my trade, I get it. You can take out this leg, but you're not going to take out this one. Okay, and that's pretty much the bottom of the range because it's a base down here. It's pretty much the bottom of the range here. So if you manage to poke your head beneath here, you can still expect for it to move up. Well, they didn't even take this out. Okay. And so there's the turnaround there. Now they drop back here clearly. This is a run. Now, if you want to break it up, try to have at least two red bars in there. Where it's lower, they're lower. And you can try to break it up to get a little closer. But if not, you lean back, you can take out the first leg, just don't take out the second one. And then it should keep going. All right. So I hope you've been using some of the information I provided. Again, here's the range. If you didn't catch it down here, once it formed, you can catch that move off the high again. They can take out the first leg, just don't take out the second one. Pick it up, get something for today, and be done with it. Or wait until they get above the range after 9:30. It's totally up to you. 9:30, they came with the nasty business. And that's why I put this out. So you can kind of have a guideline before 9:30. Hopefully get out their way. But if you didn't do that, wait till they get back above here, and then just apply the same methodology, and hopefully they get you what you're looking for. So I wish you all the best. Again, I'm gonna try to put out what made me pick this level sometime this weekend, definitely sometime next week, if not this weekend. But be on the lookout for it because I want to tell you it's something really, really simple, and hopefully it'll make your trading even that much more powerful. All right, wish you all the best with your trading. Take